What do you say to the god of death? Another day.
Hello there. So Another Day by Dream Theater. We're going to look at the intro melody, the intro solo, and the chords played behind the intro solo. Time signature is 4/4, and the tuning is standard tuning. Let's first learn the intro melody. It is played as So you want to start by placing your middle finger on 3rd fret of the 3rd string and your pinky on 4 on the 4th string. And then you want to alternate the bass notes using your index and your ring finger. So you want to start with 4 on the 6th string and the 2nd string played together. Then throughout this melody, you want to keep your middle finger and your pinky in their place. Then after the first 2 notes together, you want to play the 3rd string and the 4th string. Then you want to lift to your ring finger and play 2 on the 6th string using your index and the 2nd string together. Then 3rd string and 4th string again, and end it with the 6th string. So together, the first bar sounds like. So one thing to note is the timing. It is not just 1 and 2 and it's a little complicated. So it goes as 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and So because of dotted notes, there are minute 16th note delays that can be very confusing. So please slow the song down, play it at a very slow tempo until you get the timing in your mind, and then slowly speed it up so that you don't have to think about the timing every time you play it. Then after the first bar, what we want to do is so basically when you end the first bar at 2 on the 6th string, you want to lift it up and play 6th string open together with 2nd string open. So, and again, it's the 3rd and the 4th string. And this time, the bass note is 4 on the 5th string and played together with the 2nd string open. So up to now we have, and the ending is a little different. What we want to do is so that's 3rd string, and next time the 3rd string and the 6th string played together, then 4th string. So let me play the 2nd bar again. Then the 3rd bar is the same as the first bar, and the 4th bar is the same as the 2nd bar, and then the intro solo begins. Now let's look at the rhythm section, which is basically the chords played during the intro solo. Starts off as, which is G sharp power chord, which is 4 on the 6th string, 6 on the 5th and the 4th. And then right before the 3rd beat, you want to go to F sharp power chord, which is 2 on the 6th, 4 on the 5th and the 4th. So Then the second bar is E power chord, which is 6th open and 2 on the 5th and the 4th. And right before the third beat again, you want to go to C sharp power chord, which is 4 on the 5th, 6 on the 4th and the 3rd strings. So it's, and on the 4th beat, you quickly come to F sharp power chord again, which is again 2, 4, 4 on the 6th, 5th, and 4th. So together they sound like. Then the third bar is again similar to the first bar, which is G sharp and F sharp again. Then the fourth bar, which is actually the last bar for the intro solo, is C sharp power chord, which is again 4 on the 5th and 6 on the 4th and the 3rd strings. Then right before the third beat, you go to E, but this E is actually 1 octave higher from the E we played earlier. So it is 7 on the 5th, 9 on the 4th and the 3rd string. So the 3rd and the 4th bar together are like. Then after the melody, the solo starts as. So that's 12 on the 2nd string with vibrato. Then 11, 9, then 8 on the 3rd string. So on the 2nd, then 8 on 3rd. Vibrate it. And when you're done, you slide it down. Don't pick it. So once you're still vibrating, hold it for a while. Then slide down. Then there's. So that's slide on the 4th string from 4 to 6. Then 4 on 3rd. Slide from 6 to 8. So it's 6 on 3rd again. Slide from 4 to 3. Vibrate. Hammer on from 4 to 6. Then 4 on 3rd again. So 6 on 3rd and 3. And vibrate on 3rd again. So together it's. Then it's. That's 7 to 9 slide on the 4th string. Then 11 on the 3rd string. Then 9 on the 2nd string. That's slide to 11th fret on the 2nd. Then 12. Then 14 on the 1st string. And you vibrate. And you can use a whammy bar if you want at the end. So that is it for the intro melody, rhythm, and solo of Another Day by Dream Theater. I hope you liked the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and keep rocking.